looking for a silver blow-by. There we go. Hey, what's happening?
What up?
What's up, man? How you doing?
Pretty good, how are you?
Oh. Heck yeah, nice to meet you, man. So you're gonna take it to Subi Fest?
Yeah, it's a little far.
It's a little far?
To.
Yeah?
I would like to, maybe next year. That's made by Contender 8.
Yeah, even the front splitters?
Yeah.
Same with the diffuser too, right?
Yeah, it's a speed element lip, but he did the splitter and he did the diffusers and then he did the rear end as well.
Yeah, it looks so aggressive.
Yeah, the car was built by AA Motorworks in Mountain View.
Okay.
Manly pistons, manly connecting rods, Tomei baffle oil pan, the Killer Bee oil pickup. It's still on the stock fuel pump, stock injectors. It's on a VF43, so currently I'm limited to, you know, good power for now.
Right.
But it's forged internals, 2015 STI short block, IAG stage 2 sleeves. And with the stock box, I still made 280 wheel horsepower and 340
Nice.
To the wheels torque.
Yeah. Dang. I know, that's what I noticed because I actually just got an elbow.
The delete?
Yeah, the delete. So I
Those
have
are
it at the
hard
house.
to find. Those are hard to find.
I know they made one. There was like a GP Moto or GM Moto a few years back.
It just does a 90 right here.
Yeah.
And then it deletes the entire.
Pretty much. It's like a big old container. Oh, you got the quick release?
Yeah, it deletes that entire.
Yeah.
This thing.
Okay. What made you want to get the blow-by?
Well, I used to have a bug-eye wagon, but some 19-year-old girl on a cell phone decided to kamikaze me.
Oh, man.
She literally just turned right into the side of my door.
Yeah.
With my car. And then I found this car at the right price at the right time, and I picked it up for $12K, and it's been mine ever since.
Wow. 12K. That's a good deal. That's a great deal. Jeez. How many miles does it have on it?
So the motor has just under 6,000, and the body has just over 200,000. Stock trans. It's got an Exceedi Stage 2 clutch that has less than 10,000 miles on it.
Great thing about the JDM STI seats is that they retain their value. In case you ever do want to sell it sometime in the future, I mean, dude, you should have no problem getting even $250 out of it. I'm being serious.
Sure. No, yeah, I guarantee it. I already have somebody interested in that seat for $120.
Yeah, so you sell your seat. Dude, that is crazy. Even with these, like, I mean, those seats are nice, but you're gonna tell the difference.
Yeah. Have the crotch rise, you know, that seat just holds you better.
You saw the guy with the comment, you're like, what makes the seat so much special compared to the USDM? It's the bolstering and the higher.
It holds you better.
Exactly.
When you're cornering, you feel more secure, you know. And just the stitching is better. They use double stitching. And the USDM one, they're notoriously known for tearing right here.
From the side, you're getting in and out.
And it's like spongy right here.
Yeah.
So when you get in and out, it's notoriously known for tearing right there. Yeah, eventually I'm trying to get it out on like Thunder Hill, Laguna Seca.
Nice.
I mean, we're blessed with having these nice tracks around us. We might as well take advantage.
What exhaust do you have?
I have an SPT.
No, low profile.
Well, the SPT is actually technically a stock exhaust.
A stock exhaust.
So if you get pulled over, it's a Subaru performance tuning exhaust. So technically it's a stock exhaust built for this car, so they can't really say anything. Catted bell mouth cob down pipe. I don't know if they make a catless one, and if they do, I don't know if you can get it in California.
You want to give us a nice little exhaust clip?
Hell yeah, the car is nice and warm from the drive.
Get some engine noise. Do that again. See, open it up. Sick. Check out that diffuser though. Nice carbon fiber exhaust shield for that exhaust. Make sure you don't burn the bumper.
Yeah, all my carbon fiber comes from RPG. They're one of my sponsors.
Nice.
They give me like good discounts.
Okay.
And anybody who uses my handle gets 10% off on all purchases.
Nice. And what's your handle?
At Adrian Garcia.
At Adrian Garcia, and then I'll link his Instagram right here. And then just check him out. Give him a follow, guys. Sick blow-by out here in Northern California, right?
Yep, San Jose, born and raised.
What's next for the car?
That's a loaded question. Injectors, turbo, TGV deletes. Short term, probably more carbon fiber.
Yeah?
Probably carbon fiber hood vents or gunnery flap. Installing your version 7 seat tomorrow.
There you go. Can't wait.
Dude, smiles ear to ear right now.
Yeah, the JDM STI seat. Going to a good home.
Yep. I'm gonna treat it right.
I think I just had a deja vu moment right here. What the hell?
You're like, I swear I've done this before. I didn't even think you were gonna want to shoot my car because I was like, man, too many blob eyes for him.
Nah, it's never not enough Subarus. Come on, that's what the channel's all about.
Blob eye, he has a blob eye. I was like, there's no way I'm making it on.
People are subscribed because of the Subaru. They love the blob eyes, and this one's no different. Blob eye nation. Right on. I'll see you next time around. Send me some pictures of the new seats.
Oh yeah, for sure. I'm putting it in first thing in the morning.
Yeah, there you go. Let's show them.
One last time.
Yeah, you can see them. All right, man. Send us some pictures. Good luck. Drive safe. San Jose, right?
Yep.
All right. Peace out, everyone. See you next video. Hopefully the next video is me picking up my car at the shop from the clutch job. Peace out.